All right, Facebook, YouTube, March 28th. We just got to our second job out here in Claremont, Georgia. It wasn't that far, about a 30-minute ride from our first job. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is about 500 square feet of aggressive screen and recoating. This is the residence of Miss Georgianne. She found us online, and we're out here on this beautiful day to get her floors looking better. She said she did not want to do a full sand, just wanted to make the floors look better. She said the floors are about 15 years old. To show you guys what we're going to be doing, it is beautiful today. Also looking at the schedule, we got 2 screen and recoats tomorrow. All right, guys, so these are the floors we're going to be doing. All right, so Scobie is setting up. So it's really just this main downstairs. And again, she says she's not looking for perfection, just want to make the floors look better. All right, guys, so we'll go ahead and get started. Come back and show you some results. Stay tuned. All right, guys, you can see we got these floors looking a whole lot better just with the aggressive screening. Now we're going to do the clean and prep, and then I'm going to add some color, do some color correction back to these floors before we put down the first coat of poly. But so far, there's a big improvement already. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I am putting down the first coat. As you can see, the client has just said, Courtney, these floors came out so much better. So much better, guys. So Scobie actually went back to the first job to put down the second coat, and then he'll be done for today. So what I'm going to do is finish putting down the first coat on this job. I'm going to go have some lunch, come back, do the second coat, and that would be it for today, guys. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, look how much better these floors look. This is just the first coat. Just the first coat. All right, well, Scobie is done with the first job. Client is very satisfied. I'm about to go ahead and put the second coat down here. And that's going to do it. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.